Hello everyone, this is Morning Warrior here, and as you can see I probably did a little bit of rearranging. Got my bird over here, so yeah, she'll be joining us for a little bit once I decide to remodel again, so yeah, you get to enjoy watching her if you don't enjoy my reviews. Anyway, today I will be reviewing a vacuum cleaner. True story. Now you baby all like, Jeff, what are you reviewing a vacuum cleaner for? I'm all like, because I want to and because I can. Duh. This vacuum cleaner is the Ergo Rapido vacuum cleaner. Yep. See, Ergo Rapido vacuum cleaner, wireless. Stands about as tall as me while I'm sitting down. Basically, what this is it's a number one. Essentially, first of all and foremost, it's a vacuum cleaner. Electrolux logo on the bottom. I probably haven't cleaned this brush off in a while, and no, I haven't. But there's hair in there, but that's the brush. The two handles right here, which the two buttons, I'll get to that in a minute. Handle, and then essentially up here is your switch to turn it on and off. It has three settings. It's got the setting of high, off, and low. And as you may notice, hold on, I have problems with my camera here. Sorry guys, this is so unprofessional. Anyway, so basically, yep, that's basically a rocker switch. It's got a bent handle right here, so you know, good place to hang on with rubber grips. The back, basically, you know, makes it easier to grab instead of just slipping off. The bottom, of course, the bottom right here has a pivoting head, adjustable and everything, in case you have to actually turn it or something like that. It allows you to turn. Head can move up and down, and also right there, that's a light to tell you whether it's on or off. So basically, you turn it on like, hold on. Basically, that blue light tells you whether it's on or off or whatever. The bottom, of course. There's the bottom right there. Basically, just same thing, spins. If you need to clean it, hang on. If you need to clean it, there's a button. Is it right there, or is it on the other side? Hold on. Yeah, it's that button right there. The button right there, you press that down, and then a piece pops off right here. This piece should pop off. Yep. Hang on. Sometimes you gotta press it down really hard. So, oh, there it goes. This piece right here comes off, and you can pop it out. So basically, see this whole thing right here. There's a thing right there, allows it to spin, and there's this end which makes it spin. As you can see, I have some hair on it. I haven't cleaned it in a bit, so And basically, you know, when you want to put it back in, all you basically have to do is align it up. Just find out where each piece goes. Like this one right goes right. You gotta insert this piece first, though. Sorry. This right here, you have to insert this side into here first. Rotate it until it fits, and then basically, boom. And then after that, this piece right here, you just put it on like so. Just snap it into place, and it's not coming out. So. I'm moving stuff now. Great. Alright. So basically that's the bottom. This isn't a self-propelled one or anything like that. So, yeah. It's got a little thing on the bottom to maintain support. You put on it. It doesn't work too well in carpet. It's the only complaint I have about it, but, you know, for the price, you really can't miss it. So this, basically, I think that might come off. I'm not sure, I've never taken that off before. Anyway, now you're like, oh, well, it's just a vacuum cleaner. What's the use of that? Well, if that doesn't suit you well, there is also one other part about this. The heart of the vacuum cleaner, put that there for now, is also a hand vac. So basically, you know, it doesn't light up or anything like that, but it does. It is easily cleanable. Pop that out. Basically, bring the trash can over here. Just place this somewhere where you won't get stepped on or broke or anything like that. You know, pour it in. I use this mainly for cleaning up birdseed after my bird. So, it's got a little nice function right here. You know, you just pull and then just release. And then you can basically do this multiple times. Of course, it's kicking up a lot of dust right now. I haven't cleaned this in a while, so. Basically, you keep doing that. Maybe do this to put along until it is clean. Sort of, like this. Just basically snap it in. Maybe you can just dump this off because basically there's the empty one right there. Just, you know, just basically snap it in like that. Boom, you're good to go. As I said, handles at the sides. And there's this. You can attach a hose in here for in case you want to clean somewhere where this won't necessarily reach, or you just have it attached to the vacuum cleaner. There's the holder. As you can see, there's the contacts right there, which are also on the back of this. Basically, you just stick this in first, put that in like so, bam. Alright, other points about this. It's got some vents in the back, so it doesn't become overheated. Since the hand vac is the essential part, that if they have to leave some ventilation for it, so that's the ventilation area. And also, if you do buy one, They're not very expensive, by the way. You should also know that it comes in 2 parts. Or actually it comes in 1 part connected by a hose. So basically you have to fit it in there, and then as soon as you do, get this screw in there so that it'll stay. Now you may be asking yourself, Jeff, this is wireless. But the question I want to ask is, how do you charge it? Well, charging it is simple, which is the next part I'm going to show you. That down there is the vacuum cleaner charger. That's basically what you do. This up. Just guide it in there, and when the lights come on, there will be sorry guys. When a couple of lights come on, there are 2 lights at each side. Basically like that. You'll know that it's charging. It doesn't have any stop charging ability, so it just keeps lights on. Makes an excellent night light if you're afraid of the dark. I'm not afraid of the dark, but I do like the effect at night when it's, you know, shining. So, yeah. The other part about it, though, is, see, now that I've removed it, you can see the light. Or the light is being held. There's also 2 other things. So essentially, first of all, these are extenders. Basically serve different functions. I think this one won't bring any cobwebs. Haven't used these in a while, but this one you stick it onto your hand vac, and then it'll basically allow you to get into tighter places. Suck out stuff like if it's in a place you can't reach or something like that. You need to get into more depth or whatever. This one is a brush, so you can easily brush stuff out. Pretty cool. And then, as I said before, there's of course those separate assortment of hoses you can buy yourself. To also help with whatever you need done. So, that was my in-depth look of the Ergo Rapido vacuum cleaner. Thank you guys for watching if you made it this far. Don't forget to like, comment, rate, and subscribe. I enjoy doing these reviews, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye. Hello everyone, this is Maureen Warrior here, and as you can see I probably did a little bit of rearranging. Got my bird over here. So, yeah, she'll be joining us for a little bit, unless I decide to remodel again, so yeah, you get to enjoy watching her if you don't enjoy my reviews. Anyway, today I will be reviewing a vacuum cleaner. True story. Now you baby all like, Jeff, what are you reviewing a vacuum cleaner for? I'm all like, because I want to and because I can. Duh. This vacuum cleaner is the Ergo Rapido vacuum cleaner. See, Ergo Rapido vacuum cleaner, wireless. Stands about as tall as me while I'm sitting down. Basically, what this is it's a number one. Essentially, first of all and foremost, it's a vacuum cleaner. Dr. Lux logo on the bottom. I probably haven't cleaned this brush off in a while, and no, I haven't.